Hello everybody, today we make Thanksgiving stuffing. Okay, now for the ingredient we got hot Italian sausage, chicken stock, sage, celery, carrots, onion, chestnuts, eggs, heavy cream, and ciabatta bread. Okay, now we start to cut all the ingredients. And we start with the ciabatta bread. And I cut like this for now. Okay, after I gotta do on a cube. Okay. I cut this ciabatta bread on a half like that. And we cut on cube. After I cut on the cube, I put it right over here on this bowl for the mix. Okay. Okay, now I want to show you the chestnuts. The chestnuts, this I was bake already. And when you bake, you gotta go for 20 minutes. After you take it out, you leave it cool off a little bit, not leave it cold too much, because after what happens, it not peel really nice. Now, the baker, I do like this. You gotta do the top over here. Make sure you got a nice knife, sharp the points. Okay, you gotta cut, but only the skin, the chestnuts, not go too deep. And you start from over here like this, and you put the point inside, and that's it, like this. You put in the oven you gotta be hot already at 400 degrees, and you cook for 20 minutes. After you take it out, you leave it cool off for like maybe 3-4 minutes like this. It's what it look like that. After you squeeze a little bit of the skin, and you look. You see how beautiful it come? Just like that, like I did all this. And you squeeze a little bit, and the skin, it come right out. Look how beautiful. It's so beautiful that when you clean up, this you can go on your mouth. It's so delicious. Okay, now we start with the chestnuts. The chestnuts, I do like this. After, I can chop easy with a knife, look. It come out nice, like this. And now, knife. Okay, now this is all done, and now we go all in. We put inside. Look how beautiful, huh? Now we gotta start to chop the onion, celery, and carrots. Okay, now we gotta start to prepare everything. We put olive oil, olio di oliva, and we leave it warm up the oil really good. I want to put the sausage first. Already the sausage I take it out for the, what you call it, the gut. I pull out and I put a little piece like that. Okay, the oil is hot and we put the sausage. Now we saute the sausage nice, really good. I use hot sausage. Everybody knows I like my oil baby and I like hot. But you like sweet, go ahead. You can make it sweet. Okay, now the sausage is ready. And we put the onion. And we saute the onion a little bit together with the sausage. Oh, already smells so good. Yeah, I send you a little bit on the camera. You can smell it now? Okay, now we can put the carrots and the celery at the same time. And we give a nice mix. And now this you gotta cook. We cook on low. You gotta cook the celery, carrots, and the sausage. You gotta cook together. Okay, now this is ready. It was cooked about 10 minutes, and now we gotta leave it cool off. And after we gotta mix everything together. Okay, now this you gotta cool off, and we want to prepare this. Okay, I gotta mix it together with the chestnuts and the bread. Oh, look how nice color you got these eggs. Mamma mia, look at this. And we mix a little bit of the eggs. Okay, now we put the heavy cream. You got a little extra over here, I don't want to throw away. We put a little chicken stock. Got one wash. And this is done. Now, chicken stock. And I want to put a little salt. Sea salt. And a little black pepper. And now, I got my sage over here. I want to use like 3 leaves. I'll take this out. Oh, really, really good. Okay. And now I mix it together with this. We mix. Now we put it right over here. It's why we leave it cool off the sausage and all the carrots and celery. Over here we got eggs and we got the heavy cream, kind of one big scrambled eggs. And like this we can make it really nice. Look at that. Okay, now this is cool off and we can mix everything together. Okay. Oh, you see, it's cool off good. I can hold the pots. It's not hot no more. And now we give a little mix, but not mix it too hard because you don't want to break the bread. Mix it nice like that. Okay, now we put rice on this beautiful dish over here. Okay, this you gotta go in the oven. Okay, now we put all over the place. The fix nice. All right. Now this you gotta go in the oven. Okay, we got the bread you gotta cook, Still everything gotta be cooked. And look how nice it go. Now let's go in the oven. I got the oven on already, 400 degrees. I cook it for 25 minutes, and for 10 minutes I put aluminum foil. Altogether, I cook it for 35 minutes. Okay, now we take out. Let me see. All right. Make sure to not burn yourself, Pasquale. Oh, it's really hot stuff. All right, now we take the aluminum foil out. Oh. Now we leave it rest for 10 minutes. Okay, see, it's still too hot. As I gotta taste, I don't want to burn my mouth before Thanksgiving. Okay, now it's cool off, and let's try my stuffed. It looks good. Nice. Okay. It's a really, really good taste. Oh, I think I can eat this by myself. The bread, nice crunchy too. Nice, good. I want to say to everybody, salute, H&G, make this. And I want to know what it come out when you make. Thank you very much. Salute, H&G to everybody. Really good. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Like this. Whoa. This is from my garden. Somebody want to come, I got like this. So many. Okay? This, I got it in Thanksgiving, nice piece of legs, like my legs. Nice skinny legs.